Sojourners, how are you doing today? Today, I would like to share with you some benefits of the peace lily. Guys, did you know that the peace lily does not only add beauty to your home decor, it has other benefits. And today, I would like to share with you some of those benefits. So stay tuned. Air purification. The peace lily removes common indoor pollutants from the air and makes it clean and healthier to breathe. Low maintenance. The peace lily is easy to care for because it doesn't need a lot of water, fertilizer, or bright light to thrive indoors. Beautiful foliage. The large, glossy green leaves and white spats of the peace lily add elegance and beauty to your living or working space. Adaptability. The peace lily prefers bright light, but it can tolerate low light. It can endure long periods of drought. Pet friendly. The peace lily is safe for pets. Example, your cats and your dogs, but it is still advisable to keep it away from them. Boost mental health. The peace lily reduces stress levels, improves mood swings, enhances productivity, and helps us to focus better. Reduces mold growth. The peace lily prevents the growth of mold by reducing the moisture content and creates less humidity in the air. So guys, if you appreciate the information you received in this video, will you please like, share, and if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. Also, click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post other videos. So, see you in my next video. Bye.